Welcome to the Hollow Point Trading Daily Recap for May 18th, 2026. We successfully called the bearish drop overnight and then flipped to calls at the bottom. Everything we touched printed. Our member spotlight today is Roshan Lynch, who joined the mentorship and is already up over $12,000 since starting. These screenshots show some of Roshan's impressive trading results. Here's a closer look at one of Roshan Lynch's closed trades, the NDXP 28,500 put from May 18th, which resulted in a realized profit of $340, a gain of almost 40%. The bearish drop overnight meant the puts printed across SPX, QQQ, and NDX, with gains up to 106% for the QQQ 701 put. Then we executed the flip, moving to calls at the bottom of the market. The calls printed on both sides, with the SPXW 7,375 call yielding a massive $1,150 profit and a 718% return. The calls kept printing. This included the SPXW 7410 call, which was sold at over a 75% gain. Overall, the account shown here was up 246% for the day. Here's a community win from a member showing a profitable trade on the SPXW $7,400 put. They note the short bias was correct, even with a later entry. Another community win shows profits totaling over $942, with the member noting a quick sell in just 5 minutes. For the latest market analysis, check out our YouTube channel, Hollow Point Trading. We post regular updates and warnings on current market conditions. Remember, dull entries miss the mark, but hollow points always expand. You can find us on YouTube, X, Discord, WAP, and Patreon using the links provided.